Are you looking? Flat irons have become a must-have beauty tool thanks to the rising demand for salon quality styling at home. Whether you're a professional stylist or just someone who loves a smooth, polished finish, the right flat iron makes all the difference. In this guide, we evaluate top-rated models based on heat technology, plate quality, temperature control, design ergonomics, and overall value. Here are our top 5 picks for the best flat irons available on Amazon. List number: BABALIS Pro Nano Titanium Ultra Thin Hair Straightener. The BABALIS Pro Nano Titanium Ultra Thin Flat Iron is a favorite among professionals for its high-performance results and lightweight design. The ultra-slim 1-inch titanium plates heat quickly and evenly, reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for effortless straightening. Its lightweight body and ergonomic design reduce hand fatigue, making it ideal for extended styling sessions. This model also excels at handling thick or curly hair, gliding smoothly without pulling or snagging. The titanium plates emit negative ions, reducing frizz and boosting shine. While it lacks an auto shut-off feature, its superior heat conduction and durability make it a go-to for serious stylists. It's slightly pricier, but for users seeking salon-quality results and high heat performance, this tool is well worth the investment. List number: CHIA G2 Flat Iron Hair Straightener for a smooth finish. The CHIA G2 Flat Iron combines precision, speed, and user-friendly features in a sleek, modern design. It features 1.25-inch ceramic and titanium-infused plates that provide even heat distribution and prevent hotspots. The digital temperature display with color-coded settings, blue for fine, green for medium, red for coarse, simplifies temperature selection for all hair types. It heats up in just 40 seconds and reaches up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The CHIA G2 glides effortlessly through the hair, delivering smooth, shiny results with minimal passes. Its dual voltage makes it great for travel, and the automatic shutoff provides peace of mind. Overall, the CHIA G2 offers great value for both beginners and experienced users, combining professional-grade performance with convenient safety features. List number: CHIA Original Ceramic Flat Iron Straightener for a smooth finish. The CHIA Original Ceramic Flat Iron has earned a loyal following for its simple yet effective performance. Featuring 1-inch ceramic floating plates, it maintains consistent heat and provides smooth, frizz-free results. This model heats up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit and is ideal for everyday straightening, creating flips or waves. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and designed with an ergonomic grip that makes styling comfortable. Although it lacks modern conveniences like digital temperature controls and auto shutoff, it remains a trusted classic for its durability and consistent performance. The CHIA Original is especially well-suited for normal to slightly coarse hair types. If you're looking for a no-frills, salon-grade straightener that gets the job done efficiently, this is a solid choice. List number: Schimi Airflow Styler Titanium Flat Iron Hair Straightener. The Schimi Airflow Styler stands out with its unique airflow technology that cools hair as it styles, helping lock in shape and shine. Its titanium plates provide fast, even heating, and it features multiple temperature settings up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, catering to all hair types. What sets it apart is the innovative airflow vents, which protect hair from excessive heat damage while sealing in moisture. It's a hybrid between a flat iron and a blow dryer, making it ideal for users looking to maintain hair health without sacrificing sleekness. The sleek design and lightweight enhance maneuverability, and the safety shutoff is a welcome feature. For those who want innovation in their styling routine, the Schimi Airflow Styler offers a futuristic take on traditional flat ironing. List number: Remington Shine Therapy 2-inch Hair Straightener. The Remington Shine Therapy Flat Iron offers an affordable, effective option with a focus on hair nourishment. Its standout feature is the infusion of argan oil and keratin in the 2-inch ceramic plates, which adds shine and reduces frizz during styling. With digital controls and a 30-second heat-up time, this model reaches up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and works well on thick or long hair due to the wide plates. The floating plate design ensures even contact and smooth glide, while the automatic shutoff and temperature lock add convenience and safety. It's an excellent choice for users who want smooth results without drying out their hair. While it may not have the same durability as premium models, the Shine Therapy Flat Iron delivers impressive results at a budget-friendly price.